The secret to nice and delicious chapatis is how deep the color is. Look at our chapati, the way they are deep in yellow color, and also the way they are layered. If you cut your chapati like this one, you'll be able to see the number of layers your chapati has. This is the beauty of cooking African traditional chapati. If you want to achieve the results of this kind of chapati, butternut is the key to this world of chapati. So allow us to enjoy and make our delicious chapati. This here is the butternut. So guys, in order to achieve those yellow soft chapatis, we use butternut. So already we cut our butternut and we have boiled part of it. So we mash it to become soft. I like using this one to mash it. Like that. Then we add some little salt. And sugar, of course. I like my chapatis sweet, but not sorry for that. But you don't put a lot of salt. Then we go in with our baking flour. I'm making chapati for 2, so those are enough. The flour is enough. Mix thoroughly. Then the water that boiled the butternut, you add the flour. Look, already it's becoming yellow. Let me mix, then come back. So guys, you cannot mix with a spoon forever. So now you have some little flour, like that. Then you go in with your clean hands. Mix until everything is well combined. Make sure you mix until the dough becomes hard and elastic. So allow me to do that off camera, guys, because I use one hand to film. So our dough is ready. See the way you can see some yellow patches of the butternut. It's not sticky, so it's ready for making chapati. So guys, let's go to the next step, whereby it's oiling, rolling and oiling. So let's do that. So already our dough is on a flat surface. So next we just roll like this. Space is a bit limited because I want you to see, guys. You roll and make sure it's flat, flat, flat. Nice. Then guys, you oil your dough like that. Then we spread the oil. Make sure each part gets the oil. I've been showing you many times this process, but it doesn't cost me anything. So with a sharp knife, we cut into long strips. Remember, we want layered ones. Then you come like this, guys. I hope you can see me. Then you like this. Then you roll. You roll like this, guys. You roll into small balls like this one. I'll show you later, like this. Make sure your balls are of the same size. Make sure they are of the same size. Look, we have leftovers here. So what you usually do, attach these ones like that. Then you roll over another long one like that. Like that. Then we go like this, guys. These are our balls of chapati, our dough. So nice. Already you can see the layers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're going to be many because I pressed them. So this is how our balls look like. So now the next step is just frying our chapati. So let's do that, guys. So here our pan is heating, and it becomes hot. We roll our chapati into sizable chapati. So our first ball to roll is there. So let's do this. If you want it to be flat and almost round, guys, I told you I'm never perfect in making round ones, but I try. Sorry for that. One thing I don't like is my rolling stick. Soon I'll buy one. Oh, guys, the challenge of rolling, cooking while filming for yourself. For each and every chapati, you roll into circle flat bread like these ones. I don't know who said they should be round. That's how we do it. So number one is ready. And guys, I like the way you can see the butternut in it. So let's wait for the pan to be hot, then we can cook our chapati. Our pan is hot, so we go in with our chapati. Like that, guys. Allow it to cook, then I'll show you. So our second chapati is there waiting while our first chapati is cooking. So nice. Let it cook well. Guys, I want you to see how this chapati is coming out. The color is so wonderful, so deep. And when you see it, becoming so fluffy. It means that it is releasing the air out. So this is a layered chapati. So nice. So chapati number 1 out. So nice, looking so yummy, yummy, yummy. Chapati number 2 goes in. We roll chapati number 3. So meanwhile, we have our chapati number 3 and 4 ready to be fried. But 2 needs oiling. So nice. So here is just oiling. Wow, 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 wow. You don't need to put a lot of oil. So in case you put a lot of oil, you spread it to the bottom. Like that. So nice. Chapati number 2, well cooked. Nice color, nice layers, very soft. And our number 3 is out. So guys, we are almost finishing and our chapatis are coming out so well. So we go in with the last one. So there goes our last baby. This is a small one. So nice. Meanwhile, these ones are coming out so nice. Look at that deep color, guys. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Hey. So nice. So there goes our last chapati. Yay! So nice. And we remove it. So nice, so nice. So guys, eventually our chapatis are ready. Look the way they are, very yellow, very nice, and also very layered. So join us in another video as we make something different. For now, allow us to enjoy our chapati. Bye bye for now. Chapati is butternut chapati.